Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you find business map on your Yelp app. We're going to figure out this solution on how you can do that on your Yelp app. So all you have to do is to just go down here and choose market or restaurant here you want to to show map. So I'm going to click here in this restaurant here, for example, and it's going to take us here in this list. And all you have to do now is to just go down here and you click here on map, then you click here on map, then it's going to take you here to show for your map this restaurant here, and can you just zoom here, then it's going to show for your map here for this restaurant here. So in your app, so I don't turn on my location, but if you turn on it, it's going to show for you all this building here exists in this map. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.